Hello. Welcome back for calendar. Guess what? What don't you hear? Listen, listen. What don't you hear? Music. The karaoke machine is down, so you just get me. All right, it'll be back tomorrow because I'm bringing one from home. All right, let's look at the date. What is today? Let's see. Well, we know it's Wednesday, January 6th. Today is Wednesday, January 6th, 2021. I've got to change the numbers up there. Sorry. All right. So yesterday, this is so fun. Yesterday, we saw a picture with a group of tens and we had some ones with Miss Grakowski. Today, it's written like a addition sentence. All right, let's figure this out. 10 plus 8. What does it equal? Let's find out. All right, so we have, let's do our chart. We have our 10s over here and our 1s over here. And the problem was 10 plus 8. And what does that equal? Well, I know that we have a group of 10s. I always do a nice long rectangle. And then my group of 8, I usually do squares. 1, because it's the baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I add this together, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I get 18. Some of you guys just knew it fast as a snap because you know any number plus 10, it puts you in those teen numbers, right? So 10 plus 8, 18. All righty, that was fun. Let's take a look at our clock. Let's take a look at our clock. Where did our clock go? It's over here now. I know yesterday we talked about the different times on the clock. And remember, we're going to look at our face of the clock and look at our hands. All right, so if we have a number, let's put the hour hand on the 5. The hour hand is on the 5, and the minute hand is on the 12. Remember, that's when we say that the time is 5 o'clock. So if it's on the 12, it's 5 o'clock. I want to talk to you guys about how does that look when you're writing the time, okay? And I know that we talked about it a little before, but let's write 5 o'clock. So if my clock looks like this, where my minute hand is up at the top, right on the 12, my hour hand is pointing to a number. It's pointing to 5. We say 5 o'clock. Well, how do we write it? If you can help me, the first thing I do is I write my number 5. This tells me the hour. It tells me the hour. So I have 5. Do I need to move this up a little closer? Nope, right here. 5. And then we separate it with a colon because the function of a colon is it's used to separate things. So we're going to separate the hour from the minutes. So we have our colon, and that's just 2 dots right on top of each other, right? 2 dots right on top of each other. 5 o'clock. And if it's 5 o'clock, we just put 2 zeros. 5 o'clock. All right, let's look at what the clock looks like when we turn it around. And look, I'm heading down here. Now, the hour hand is in between the 5 and the 6. Not quite to the 6. You see that? And then the minute hand is right on the 6. Now it's halfway around the entire clock. So it's half past 5 o'clock. It's not quite 6 yet, right? It's not quite 6. What does that look like? And you guys know how to say it. 5. Can you say it before me? 5:30. That's right. It is 5:30. Let's write it. Okay? So I'm going to write 5. I have to put my colon because it separates the hour from the minutes. And if you count around, counting by fives, you will get to 30. Watch this. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It is 5:30. That's how you write it on the clock. Now, let's take a look at balancing an equation. All right. Look here. We have 2 plus 3 equals 1 plus something. Let's see what we have here. Well, we have 2, 1, 2 plus 3. 1, 2, my goodness, hurry up. 3. All right. So first we have to figure out, what does 2 plus 3 equal? And I'm doing easy ones now, but I'm going to get harder. So you guys, I want you to get it, and then you better get it. You better know it. So 2 plus 3, I can look here and see that 2 plus 3, I see 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 plus some number has to equal 5 in order for it to be balanced. So it has to equal the same thing, because that's what that equal sign stands for. It has to be the same number. So let's see. 1 plus how many more will get me to 5? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many did I add here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you guys get it before me? I hope so. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Now it's balanced. You see that? 2 plus 3 equals 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Now it's balanced. All righty. Now let's take a look. It is time to add a day of school. Let's see. Let's add a counter. Ooh. Can you help me count by tens? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I don't even have to count these. 85. I don't have to go 81, 82, 83. I see it. It's 5. 85. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85. 85. Let's add a straw. Okay. And now let's count. Remember, every number has a place. Every number has a place. And in the number 85, you guys are 85 days smarter, but there's 0 in the hundreds. There's nothing there yet. In the tens, there's 8 groups of 10. And let's count together. Can you guys count them with me? And I don't count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I count by tens, because this is the tens pocket. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and now I count by ones. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. And you know what that means? I get to close the gate. It's 85 on my tally marks. Wow. Okay. And this is what our tally marks look like up close. Can you help me count by fives? Help me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. You are 85 days smarter. All right. Have a great day. Get to work. See you tomorrow. Bye.